Good morning, this is John McNally from McNally Yacht Sales. We're down here in the boatyard looking at a Jeanneau 42 Deck Salon 2007. I'm down below in the salon. Just came down the companionway steps. The galley here on the right, little kind of an L shape, stainless dual sinks, top load fridge freezer, propane stove, microwave. There's the gas controller, solenoid, storage here. More storage. It's a 2-cabin. The aft cabin is really the cool master. It has a door to the head from the master. Electric toilets. Shower curtain wraps around here. Here's the other entrance to the aft cabin. Very nice. This is huge. It's kind of a seating here, and it's not quite a walk around. There's the cockpit cushions. Got some ports that open right there. See that? Windows on the side. Ports up here. So you can get some cross ventilation. You have a fan. And you have the air conditioner duct. Really nice. There's the thermostat. Amazing big cabin. Galley has some drawers here. Storage. Storage over here. Forward facing nav. It's got a repeater down here. You put it on whatever you want. New VHF radio. This is a master volt display. Has everything hooked up to it for the inversion and solar panels. Little rounded salon area. There's the table. Nice long couch over here you can lay down when you're on starboard. AC vent right by the fan. Flat screen TV. Headed into the V berth. Here's the bathroom of the forward cabin. It's got a hatch overhead. Electric toilet. Super nice. Super nice. Got the fishing pole up here. Here's another fan. Air conditioner duct. Got a little bit of room here when you close the door. It's nice. The floor opens up. There's storage in there. I took some stills. Pretty clean. And there you go. This is John McNally from McNally Yacht Sales. If you want to get on board, give us a call. Check out our YouTube page for more boats, more videos of this boat, and adventures and how-tos. It's John McNally. Jeanneau 42 Deck Salon 2007. Over and out.